This is a dry wave scrunch. Buckles, old school, 90's, given all of that. As you can see, I have formed the waves. She sat under the dryer, got completely dry. And now I am lifting, going in very softly, forming her style. As you can see, I am lifting them up, giving it like that mohawk feel, but yet that 90's vibe. Isn't it cute? She's going through this growing out process, but yet we want her to still be stylish. So the buckle scrunches is always that go-to. Using my Layer Signatures mousse infused with coconut oil and shea butter. As you can see, I have not applied anything to her hair. It have a natural shine from the molding mousse. And you can shop that on my site at LakerSickBeauty.com. Again, the scrunches, buckles, combo. Check out Laker Signatures products for your go-to needs for styling and maintenance. Again, I am Inspire Hair, bringing you the latest in styling and technique.